Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. Find the domain you want to transfer and click Manage. Copy your domain name, then log into your Hostinger account. Go to Domains and select Transfer an existing domain. Enter your domain name and click e-transfer. If your domain is locked, return to GoDaddy, open Manage Domain, and scroll down to Domain Lock. Turn off the lock to unlock your domain. Then return to Hostinger and click Check to confirm it's unlocked. Next, click Purchase to proceed with the domain transfer payment. After completing the payment, go to Billing in Hostinger and select your domain. You'll be asked for an authorization code. On GoDaddy, click Transfer to another registrar, continue, and copy the code. Paste this into Hostinger. Choose your DNS record settings, then click Transfer Domain. The process will take 5 out of 7 business days, after which your domain will appear in Hostinger. So that's basically how you can transfer domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.